Today we're taking a serious look at a product that's been making a lot of noise lately, the EpiCooler. Before I show you the inside of the beast, I need to address one decisive point that immediately put my mind at ease. This product comes with an absolutely solid money-back guarantee. That's extremely important. It means you can order the device, test it at home, and if it doesn't suit you, you simply send it back. That's exactly where I see the real difference between a serious brand and the rest, in the quality of customer service and the reliability of the guarantee. EpiCooler has genuinely nailed it. On top of that, there's a huge advantage: you're buying directly from the manufacturer. That means we skip all the expensive middlemen. The result, you save real money and have direct contact with the people who actually build the machine. It's essentially direct-to-consumer sales applied to tech products. By the way, if you want to check it out for yourself, I've put the official manufacturer link in the description with the current promo offer. Be careful if you order elsewhere, the manufacturer only covers after-sales service and the return guarantee for orders placed through their official website, not through resellers. Right, let's get into it. I opened up the casing to understand how this device manages to cool so efficiently without being a huge, complicated installation. What immediately stands out when you look at the internal components is the airflow engineering. We're not dealing with a simple fan just pushing warm air around. I was able to observe a fairly sophisticated multi-stage cooling system. Concretely, inside you'll find a motor optimized for silence. I checked the bearings and the acoustic insulation around the motor block. It's designed to run without those annoying vibrations you often get with cheap models. That also explains the whisper-quiet operation everyone talks about. Then I examined the heat exchange circuit. The system uses advanced evaporation technology, coupled with a directional airflow. When you remove the back panel, you get access to the tank and filtration system. This isn't simply a water container, it's an exchange module capable of significantly lowering the temperature of the outgoing air. Technically, the device is calibrated to drop down to 16 degrees Celsius in cooling mode, which is genuinely impressive for such a compact and mobile format. What's also fascinating is the electronics. I took a look at the control board, everything clean, neatly soldered, and it manages energy consumption intelligently. We're talking ultra-low consumption compared to a classic wall-mounted air conditioner. Another technical point confirmed during disassembly: versatility. I noticed that the heating module is integrated into the same airflow circuit. The ceramic heating elements are positioned to benefit from the same powerful ventilation, which allows it to heat up to 22 degrees in winter. It's a cleverly packaged all-in-one system. No complicated exhaust hoses to hang out the window. Everything happens internally thanks to autonomous thermodynamic management. Honestly, after seeing the build quality and the components, you better understand why they're so confident with their guarantee. This is material designed to last and easy to maintain. The filters are accessible in 2 seconds, and above all, it gets the job done without any complex installation. So if you're looking for a technically validated solution and want to benefit from this ingenious system without taking any risk, the special link is right below in the description. It's an exclusive offer you won't find anywhere else. Grab it before stocks run out, especially now that summer is right around the corner.